Okay guys, so it's another morning. I think it's about 5 to 6, and I'm just going back to check the vehicle again. I actually didn't get enough sleep. A tour guy missed his way, so I think he's coming. He should be somewhere here. I'm not sure where he is. Okay, there he is. He has been here before, but he lost his way, so I'll be going to view the car and I'll see what happens. So we just came back to the building. I just noticed that when we got to the spot, I actually forgot the car key off the car, because yesterday when we got there, I actually took the keys. So here's the key. I left it in my car. So now we still need to drive back again. Crazy, man.
I feel so alive. I've never felt this way before. It must be you and I. It's got me thinking about us more. It's these bright lights that put me in a daze, and I can't stop but think about the way that you move around up and down on that stage.
In my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again.
So the main reason why I actually came back to get the keys is because yesterday when I got to the guy, we agreed on the price and I had to make some down payments. So in that case, I actually had to drop some, payments. So after the payment, which means I need to take either the papers or the key. So I took the key. So when I was going back, I actually forgot I had the key with me, and that is how I came back again for the second time. So we just loaded it off. That's the car over there, and that's mine over there. So it's all looking good so far. I just need to get the parts that are broken from the car, and then from there I think I'll start with the restoration. I don't think I'll be doing much, but I'll just change a little bit out of the vehicle, maybe like the water bottle that is broken and a few parts here and there, and I think it should be ready to go back on sale. So far so good, and there is the tour guy over there. So guys, thank you very much for sticking with me. I think I'm gonna end this video here, and I guess I will see you guys in the next one. If you are new on the channel, do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know